replacing the leaf springs on my Chevy. So I'm gonna take you all along for the ride. I'll try to record as much as possible. Right now I'm driving to my destination. So we will get there in around 45 minutes or so, maybe an hour. I have no idea, depending on traffic. But yeah, we're definitely going to be replacing the leaf springs today. I'll definitely try to get some videos. Don't know how it would go because my step-grandfather has never been around cameras in his life, so I'll try to get as much as I can done, recorded to you guys. If not, then I'll just update you guys when I get to a safe spot where I feel comfortable and update you guys there. Stay along for the ride. Hey guys, it got late last night. I was going to upload, but it was just really late and we didn't get done till late. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I got completed with this truck. So let's do it right now. First of all, it's looking pretty level as it sits right now. I drove it for about 45 minutes one way, so I have to take everything and settle down. I'll show you underneath the truck here. As you can see, I got new U-bolts on both sides. These shackles right here, we had to cut the bolt got stuck in the bushing. We had to cut that out. I had to do that on both sides. That was our major problem. The fronts up there weren't too bad to get off on both sides. These U-bolts definitely snapped. But yeah, we got some new U-bolts on both sides. I ordered 5 leaves instead of 4, so it's giving it a little bit more of a rake, a little bit more of a gap right here, so I can probably run maybe a 35 37 on it, maybe. But definitely going to need to get the front torsion bar put in here soon so I can get it leveled out. She's definitely not level at the moment, but looking pretty good. So definitely this bed's gonna be coming off here soon. This bed's trashed. New wheels and tires are in the works. So I'm possibly going to be repainting this truck here soon. What my plans are for it. Probably get a roll pan for it, take that hitch off. Not gonna tell you guys the color right now, but I got colors in mind that I really like. So yeah, I didn't record last night. Well, I didn't record the process last night because of my grandfather. He doesn't like cameras, he doesn't like to be recorded. So out of his respect, I didn't record at all. So, but I got some clips for you guys that I recorded on my iPhone. I'll put it in this video. So that's all for this I got right now. Be sure guys, you click that subscribe button and like button for more future uploads. I'm planning on not stopping right now. I got more up coming with this truck. Just stay tuned and get right back into it. Thank you guys, have a good day.